Hello, marvelous entrepreneurs. Um, Today we are back with day 2 of 100 days affiliate marketing training. I'm sorry the live got disrupted at 12 o'clock's broadcast today because the internet connection was a bit unstable. Okay, so yesterday we talked about mindset. It is very, very important that you believe in this system and the uh, belief that you can make it, you can earn through affiliate marketing. That belief has to go into your mind, and your mind should be ready for the journey. It's going to be a long journey, and you have to have certain preparations. See, whenever we start a long journey, we get all the things ready that has to be taken. We book our tickets, we decide how to go, how to return, what are we planning to do when we reach there, etc., etc., right? So just like that, this long journey of affiliate marketing needs certain preparations. So today we are going to start doing the preparations required for this affiliate marketing journey. And the first thing that you need to do is goal setting. See, first of all, you should know where you are going. What is your destination? So let us set your goal. So I want all the participants of this affiliate marketing training to give their financial goals in the comment box down, because then only I can help you, because everybody's goal will be different. One person may be aiming to achieve $1,000 per month, another person's target may be $2,000 per month, yet another would have a plan for achieving $5,000 per month. So each and every person's goal may be different. So I need to know what is your destination, so that like I can guide you. Okay, you go through this route, you go through this route, you adopt this technique, and you go through this way. I need to advise you, and I'll be able to advise you properly only and only if you give your destination correctly, because I need to know where you want to go. So please, whoever is participating in this, to my knowledge, like there are a few members like who are interested in starting their affiliate marketing journey, and I want those members to put their financial goal in the comment box, so that I know, because that is again another way to know that you are attending these trainings properly. These 100 days, you need to commit only to affiliate marketing. So goal setting is one thing, and another thing is like, okay, you set your goal. For example, person A's goal is earning $1,000 per month. Person two, $2,000. Person three, $5,000. Fine, but what are you going to do when you achieve this? Have you ever thought about that? If no, please think, because that is another thing. See, this is just like a mind game, you know. If you feel you can do it, you can surely do that. Whereas if you feel you cannot do this, then half the battle is lost. So you need to have a clear idea what is your target and what are you going to do with the money once you achieve that target, achieve that goal. For example, some people may be aiming to start a business on them, some may be aiming for higher studies, some may be planning for a trip abroad, a vacation on some foreign land, etc., etc., etc. So you need to have that goal clear and crisp. So goal setting is the first homework that has to be done for day 2. Now, see, I mentioned that it is a mind game. We need a lot of strategies to be put in place. So we need to give good food to our brains, for which reading certain books is essential. That will help you know various strategies adopted by the people who has already traveled in this journey before us. This is like, say for example, you want to go on a yacht or a ship, and you want to circle around the globe. What will you do? You either will you try it on your own, or will you Google and find or contact some person who has already done that, or will you go and ask someone who has not done that at all? You will obviously contact someone who has traveled. So these books are guidelines. These books will give you inputs regarding the strategies what you need to adopt. These books give you the food to your brain to think and work. So I suggest 3 books to start off with, which I want you all to read at least one chapter every day, or at least 20 minutes every day from all these 3 books. The first book which I would recommend is Magic of Thinking Big. The second book is .com Secrets, and the third book is Expert Secrets. So I can give you the PDF copies of these 3 books. It is available with me, but I want you to post in the comments who are all participating. I don't want to conduct these videos for an audience who are not interested. I will give these books only to those people who are interested in starting their journey in this affiliate marketing world. And so type in your names in the comment box so that I'll message you. I'll send these 3 books to you. I have the PDF copies. I don't want you to invest in those books to begin with. Maybe if you are an avid book reader, you can purchase these books. It is worth having in your collection. Now, the third is you need to do a search. See, some people may be interested in selling physical goods. Some may be interested in selling only electrical goods. Some may be interested in selling clothes and accessories. Some may be open to selling digital products. Some may adopt the online courses. So that part needs to be clear, because that is the vehicle by which you are going to travel in this journey. We talked about the destination. First you decide like where you want to go. After that, then you are going to decide whether you are going by plane or train or bus or car or something else. So your niche is going to be the vehicle. You need to have a clarity on that. So that is homework number 3. Day 2, homework number 3 is you need to tell what is the vehicle you are going to choose, because based on that only I can suggest you products. There is no meaning in we going simply we start a journey without knowing where you want to go, how you are going. So the risk is very high if you don't have a clear aim, clear planning, because that may take you anywhere. You need not reach the destination planned. So market research has to be done. Please type in your interested niche areas. Now, after that comes a proper understanding of how to market and sell the niche selected, because we have a lot of options in affiliate marketing world. So based on your niche, I'll be guiding you how to which companies to select, because if you're having an objective of earning just $1,000 per month, then products and the companies suggested will be entirely different from that of a person who wants to achieve $5,000 per month or $10,000 per month. Yes, be very reasonable while setting the goal, because right now when you are all beginners, so if you set an exorbitant goal in front of you, it will be difficult for you to achieve. So let us go step by step. So set a reasonable target in the beginning. Once you achieve that, then you set a higher target for next time. So and then, like, of course, you have to create your community or tribe or group for this, so that, like, there are two options. You can either start selling right from this along with me. We are only at day 2 of 100 days, so you can start the journey today or tomorrow, and you can carry on with it, or else you can complete your 100 days training and then start selling. The choice is yours. Now, the last but most important thing is belief. You have to have belief in this system of affiliate marketing. You need to believe that people have already achieved it before you. If you are interested, like, I can share my screen and show you what